Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status using the airport information in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the Fly with Turkish Airlines section, click on the Flight Status button. And then click on the Airport button at the top of the page on the right. So first you have to select the departure airport. And then select the arrival airport. And then just select the date. And once you've done that, just click on the search flight button, and as you can see, there are no flights found for the selected date, so just try with another one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.